Her latest Fenty presentation proved to be a roaring success when she unveiled her SS18 collection at New York Fashion Week on Sunday. And on Tuesday, Rihanna was flying high in more ways than one when she stepped out for a helicopter ride in the Big Apple with a small group of pals. The 29-year-old shut-up-and-drive singer was in typically eye-catching style for her luxury excursion, going braless under a deeply plunging button-down black dress, which featured long sleeveless and shoulder pads. The Barbadian beauty complemented her flowing frock with a pair of vertiginous strappy-heeled sandals and a sleek black leather handbag. Giving her ensemble a touch of pizzazz with the addition of a pair of oversized gold hoop earrings, she swept her raven locks back into a high ponytail, while her makeup palette was kept light and natural. Singer Rihanna has spent the past few days soaking up the festivities of New York Fashion Week, following an acclaimed presentation of her own line. On Sunday night, she celebrated her Fenty x Puma by Rihanna fashion line with a star-studded post-show party, attended by Bella Thorne, Kaia Gerber, Stella Maxwell, among others. During her Monday night fashion show, the Be Better Have My Money hitmaker concluded a runway presentation with pop star panache. The designer stole the show as she closed the runway on the back of a dirt bike, waving to the audience as she was driven into the venue. It comes after all eyes were the star's new makeup line, Fenty Beauty, which she released on Thursday. In just a matter of hours, the star's premium beauty line proved to be phenomenally successful with fans, as it sold out both online and in stores. Her new makeup line puts her in competition with such celebrity cosmetics line owners as Kim Kardashian and her younger half-sister.